Time to start my 40-hour day at work. I can fix it! Here's the house I'm working on. It's pretty spacious, to say the least. Alright, time to get to work. I'm working on this fireplace currently. Yo, worker, how's my house going, twin? Yo, are you okay? Are you huffing on me? I swear, I was working on that.
My worker is acting insane. He isn't building the house. He's huffing oil.
I swear, this guy is racially motivated. I do not support any of the claims that he's saying. He is a... Epstein's gonna fire me if I don't keep working. Hold on. When was this here? What if I just... These burgers are amazing. They're gonna be tasty.
What are you doing?
I love burgers.
Are you cooking on my...
I swear, I'm just fixing the motor. See, boss, I'm fixing it. I mean, you did get me off the street and you're paying me like 5 cents an hour. You're paying me 5 cents an hour.
Shut up! I've been taking some meditation classes. But those bitches don't help! Get out! Your work is over.
Does that mean I don't get my nickel today?
You are not getting paid! Why are you laughing, huh?
I really wanted to pay my family, man. All they've been having for 3 months is KFC. Ugh, that's good.
Go.
It's back. Homeowner, do you have any whippets?